Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay March 30, 2025 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong March 30, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Sunday, March 30, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for March 30, 2025 Sunday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, March 30, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of March 30, 2025 Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.